Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to customize the Google search bar widget in any Android smartphones and tablets. So then without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just tap and hold on the blank area of your home screen, and now just click on this widgets and just search for Google and just click on it. Now scroll down below. Now you'll see here Google search bar widget. Just click on it. Now click on this add. So we have added this Google search bar. Now just tap and hold on it. Now we'll see here settings option. Just click on it. Now you can see here the themes option. You can select the system, light theme, dark theme, device settings theme, or the custom theme depending upon your needs, whichever color you want to set here, and even the transparency. And at the bottom you will see here shortcuts. Just click on it. So here you can add a translate, song search, weather, translate, camera, sports, dictionary, homework, finance, sept, and news also, whichever you want. So let me add a dictionary here. So you can see we have added a dictionary, and then you can click on this reset to reset to the default options. Now move back, and if you minimize it, now you'll see our customized Google search bar widget. So now once again tap and hold on it and just drag it to smaller size. So you can see here we're getting a small Google search bar widget also, and even if you increase it a little bit, you can get this kind of Google search bar widgets. And if you maximize it more, then you will get this kind of Google search bar widget. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily customize the Google search bar widget in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.